Answer the call.
Hi, honey.
Hi, Mom. How you doing?
Your father just won the bridge tournament. I'm so excited.
Oh, I'm happy to hear that. Hey, kids. Say hi to Grandma.
Hey, Grandma.
What did the 49ers do last night?
The 49ers beat the Raiders 23-11.
Yes! Order a cab.
A cab will be down in 5 minutes.
What's on my schedule? What's the weather today? Turn on the AC. Turn up the volume.
Imagine how it would feel like to be the center of your technology. Now, stop imagining.
Hello, my name is Timmy.
Hey, Timmy.
Hello, John.
Hey, Timmy. Answer the call.
Hi, honey.
Hey, Timmy, play some music.
Hey, Timmy. Make a video. Hey, Timmy. Order pizza.
Hi, Mommy.
Hey, save some for me.
Teamy, the personal robot. You at the center.
Be at home from anywhere. Introducing Genie, the new user-friendly way to turn your home into a smarter home in just 2 easy steps. First, place Genie on any compatible home appliance around the house. Then, download the Genie app to your smartphone and start controlling your home using your smartphone from anywhere in the world. Genie, the smarter smart home solution.
Health news this evening. New research predicts air pollution worsened by climate change will likely cost tens of thousands of lives if changes are not made. The study, published in Nature Climate Change, estimates 60,000 people could die of air pollution.
I've been using Breeze for around 6 months.
It is so convenient. I can't imagine living without it now. The greatest feature of Breeze is the fan on the side. With the filters, it can effectively filter PM 2.5 and users still feel nice and easy.
Other than going to work, I'm used to wearing Breeze wherever I go.
With Breeze, not only the whole mask fits my face perfectly, but also I can adjust the tightness to make it as comfortable as I want.
We are always trying to fight with all wires in this urban jungle. However, facial expression is a universal language. It's a pity to cover it.
Robots are here already. They are part of our day-to-day life, and in a few years, they will be a basic element in our lives with thousands of jobs depending on them. That is why it is essential that young people understand how and why they operate, and how to communicate with them. Robobo is the next generation of educational robot. It uses a smartphone as the brain of the mobile base. From that moment, you can program it with your computer or tablet. Robobo can feel just like you do, see colors, hear sounds, recognize faces, shapes, sense when you touch him. It also knows how to talk, show his emotions, and of course he can move. All this thanks to the combination of Robobo's mobile base and the existing technology in current smartphones now available to you, whether you do not know how to program or if indeed you are already an expert.
Using your smartphone's camera, Robobo can recognize objects, tags, or faces. You can also use speech recognition or sound production, GPS, accelerometers, gyroscopes, internet connection. All of these together with the computational power of current smartphones allows you to develop a new level of projects in educational robotics.
Robobo is an educational tool to use in the classroom. Robots will become an educational element for classes. As such, young people must learn to deal with them and control them in a natural manner. Robobo allows you to learn the future of robotics now, as it has the capabilities of robots that will surround your lives in a few years' time. Robobo allows to incorporate 3D printed parts to extend its capabilities, so mechanical design is also part of the educational experience. Behind the idea of Robobo exists a group of engineers and researchers with extensive experience in the field of robotics. Our team has not only been responsible for the mechanical and electronic design, but also the support software for its control.
The hardware of robots typically limited us in order to provide high-level functionalities to general public robotics. With Robobo, the latest technology becomes available to anyone interested in learning how to program a real robot.
Robobo can do almost anything you can imagine. Just combine the right commands and see how it comes to life. There are no limits but imagination. Robobo brings technology closer to kids and makes it easy and fun.
We are Black Forest Motion, and we created the most universal and flexible controller that will bring motion to your photography and videography applications. Introducing Pine. Pine is the universal tool for all your photo and video production needs. With Pine, you can create motion-controlled time-lapse videos, panoramic gigapixel and 360-degree images, 3D photogrammetry scans, automated camera movements, and much more. Controlled all from your smartphone or tablet. The Pine Motion app will give you the perfect control for every mode. With Pine, you're not limited to any hardware. You can use any slider or pan tilt unit with stepper motors, and the controller can trigger multiple camera modes. This makes it the perfect solution for professional users who already have their own system, beginners who want to start with motion-controlled applications, and do-it-yourself creators who want to bring motion to their projects. High-quality components, like our lockable motor connectors, make Pine a long-lasting device that will meet your professional needs. Pine is wirelessly expandable. If you need more than 4 axes, you can simply connect another controller. There are no limitations and no cables needed. Pine will give you motion control capabilities never seen before. Gigapixel mode, a rare mode among other controllers. With its unique diagonal traversal technique, Pine will fully automatically create single images that are arranged in a matrix, and you can then stitch to a stunning high-resolution panoramic image. 360-degree mode. Capture full 360-degree images with Pine and a pan tilt head. Pine will fully automatically take multiple images to all directions, which you can then stitch to one 360-degree image. This mode works for single images and even 360-degree time-lapse videos. Time-lapse mode, one of the most famous modes for motion control that we extended to support moves with unlimited number of keyframes and stop-motion capabilities. Pine will move and trigger your camera in a shoot-move-shoot sequence for perfect time-lapse videos. Video mode. Create automated camera movements with Pine's video mode. Unlimited number of keyframes and stop-motion functionality let you create the most complex moves. This mode finds use in the movie and filmmaking business, live production filming, and visual effects video production. 3D scan mode. Automate your photogrammetry workflow for 3D model scanning with a 3-axis setup. Pine will not only save you a lot of time in scanning objects, but will also give you never-before-seen results in terms of accuracy and resolution. Live mode. Always have the right target in view and focus. Perfect for scenes with multiple objects of importance. Simply switch between multiple targets with one touch. Turntable mode. Let it spin with turntable mode and create simple but professional product presentations. Pine is also capable of multitasking. Use multiple modes like turntable and video mode together for more flexibility. Astro mode. Reach for the stars with Pine's tracking capabilities for the sharpest astrophotographs. Pine will compensate Earth's rotation, allowing you to create long exposure shots of the night sky, track stars, the moon, or the sun. Intervalometer mode. This mode makes Pine the ultimate all-in-one device. Use Pine without motors and experience an advanced and accurate intervalometer. This mode works perfect in a multitasking setup with any other mode. Each Pine controller can trigger 2 cameras. With Pine, you have the most advanced motion control solution in the smallest and lightest form. The capabilities are endless.
Developing Pine is almost completed. We are past the prototyping stage and we already had a small set of devices produced in a mass production setting. The device has been tested and optimized over the last few months and we already found trusted partners for mass production. Therefore, we are confident to ship out all Kickstarter devices within 2 to 3 months after successful funding.
Whether beginner with motion control or professional user, whether compact single-axis system or multi-axis studio setup, Pine will always give you the motion you need.
We are excited to finally show you our hard work. For the final stages, we need your help to bring this device out to you. We have put together some interesting baking options and we hope we have the right package for you. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Connect with us on our social media channels. We would love to hear from you.
Walk car. This four-wheeled portable vehicle is made of carbon fiber and is no bigger than a weight scale. To set it in motion, you just have to stand on the platform. The device can accelerate to 10 miles per hour. You can turn by tilting the device, and to stop completely, the user must descend to the ground. The platform weighs just under 6.6 pounds and can travel for an hour without being recharged. It takes about 60 minutes to recharge the battery. Despite its compact size, the device is quite sturdy and can support a weight of more than 220 pounds. You can purchase this unusual vehicle for $1,280 at the manufacturer's official website. K-bottle. For those who take care of their health, a bottle of water is an indispensable element in everyday life. K-bottle differs from most sports bottles on the market for its unusual design. A special construction allows you to change the size of the container according to your needs and wishes. The device is made of steel and silicon, without plastic elements, and withstands temperature changes without any problems, so you can use it to transport cold drinks or hot drinks, such as tea, at a maximum temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. The airtight bottle cap prevents any liquid leakage, and the flexible structure significantly increases strength, so the device won't break when falling on a hard surface. The device comes in 4 colors and 2 sizes, and it can be cleaned in the dishwasher. The cost of this folding bottle is $25. Silent mode. This unusual gadget is an intelligent sleeping mask which protects the user from any disturbing light or sound. Visually, it resembles a virtual reality headset, is attached with the help of Velcro, and it completely covers the user's head regardless of its size. Inside, the accessory is finished with a soft foam material, which uses the so-called memory effect, making it possible to replace the usual pillow. The gadget completely blocks both light and external sound. The dense material doesn't allow light rays to pass through, even if they fall directly on the user, while the soft ear pads block all external noise. These functions are very useful for afternoon napping, traveling, or during a meditation session. In addition, the mask has built-in speakers which you can move within the soft layer to find the most comfortable position. Using Bluetooth technology, speakers can emit soothing sounds from the user's smartphone, as well as instructions for breathing exercises. In addition, silent mode can work with Spotify and other music applications. The built-in battery lasts 24 hours, and this device will cost potential buyers $130. Neo Smart Pen N2. This exceptional pen lets you scan and transfer paper documents to the memory of your smartphone. The housing of the device is made of aluminium and is equipped with a diode indicator, which blinks when communicating with the owner's smartphone. A single button is responsible for powering up and synchronizing the device. The gadget also comes with a USB charging cable, a notepad, and a spare ink cartridge. Thanks to the notepad and its special pages, pen movements are automatically recorded. Note that the device can work without a direct connection to the mobile device. Everything you write is stored in the internal memory of the device, and when it's synchronized with your smartphone, the information is sent to the application. The mobile application allows the user to process and edit their writing, as well as transform them into digital text, save them in various formats, and send them through social networks. The device comes in 2 colors and is available for $140. Picook Mini. This high-precision scale simultaneously analyzes 12 biometric parameters, including weight, fat percentage, water content in the body, and other necessary parameters. The device needs 3 seconds to scan the information. All data is automatically recorded in different special applications available for iOS and Android devices. In addition, Picook Mini could recognize its owner, so an occasional guest who wants to use the scale won't ruin the main user's progress. Another important advantage of this device is its compact size. The sides of the square scale measure 10 inches, so it won't take up much space, and it's perfect even in small apartments. It's also worth noting that the height of the Picook Mini is 0.8 inches. The device is made of high-quality plastic and can support loads of up to 330 pounds. LED lights can be seen even with low lighting, and the rounded edges make the scale as safe as possible for the owner. The price of this smart gadget is, however, unknown. FunShim. This affordable Chinese gadget can simultaneously load on an iPhone X, an Apple Watch, or any other QI-compatible device. This is an elongated oval carpet made of white plastic with Apple's signature style. FunShim has a power of 10 watts and it can be used to charge Android smartphones and other compatible devices. The inductive element for charging the smartphone is integrated into the body of the device itself, but the user must install a separate device to charge the smartwatch. For this purpose, under the FunShim cover there's a special slot as well as separate grooves for the cable. You can buy this wireless charging device for $30. Sensor Wake. This alarm clock without analogs in the current market awakens the user using a previously selected fragrance. The square device is very easy to use and doesn't need to synchronize with your phone. All necessary buttons are located on the device and are represented with understandable symbols. We also found a slot for a special aromatic cartridge. The device comes in advance with 2 fresh bread-scented probes, but other smells can be purchased separately. 1 cartridge is enough to wake you up for 30 days, i.e. a full month of use. In addition, if the owner of the scent alarm doesn't turn it off within 2 minutes, the device will trigger an audio alarm. Sensor Wake's cost is $117.50. Cryopop. Instead of ink, this wireless pen works with a photopolymer that dries in seconds under the influence of ultraviolet radiation. This method is known as the cold printing method because no hot substances are used during the drawing process. Thanks to this, the polymer ink is completely safe for the person and won't burn the user, even if it accidentally falls onto the skin. 3 powerful ultraviolet LED lights located on the pen ensure solidification of the material, while the owner regulates the ink supply. A standard USB cable is included with the kit, used to recharge the device. It should be noted that developers have provided several ink options, such as color and aromatic cartridges. You can buy this pen with 3D printing for $130. Yike Bike. With a weight of 26 to 33 pounds, the manufacturer claims that Yike Bike is the world's smallest electric folding bicycle. When folded, the device fits even in a small bag, and to get it up and running, the owner doesn't need more than 15 seconds. Thanks to its size and small weight, the bike doesn't require any anti-theft system, since the user always carries it with them. An electric bicycle battery charge is enough to travel 15 miles, so it can be used without problem in the city. The bike can accelerate up to 60 miles per hour, and in addition, a large 20-inch diameter front wheel allows you to overcome any obstacles and irregularities on the road. Another distinguishing feature of the Yike Bike is the advanced LED systems that work regardless of time of day for increased driver and other road users' safety. Depending on the user's wishes, the bike frame can be made of carbon or aluminium. This electric bicycle will cost $6,500 and $4,000 depending on the material. Envy. Despite the fact that this car looks like a futuristic toy or an invention for a fantastic movie, it has caught our attention. The capsule measures 5 square feet and weighs only 880 pounds. A fully electric power system eliminates harmful emissions when driving, ensuring 25 to 30 miles of autonomous travel at speeds up to 28 miles per hour. In addition, the developers of the concept promise to equip the vehicle with wireless charging and autonomous driving capabilities using GPS technology. Built-in sensors, capable of exchanging data with city infrastructure and other similar vehicles, provide the owner of the device with reliable protection against accidents, even on busy streets and cities. Unfortunately, the estimated price of this development remains unknown. Guys, it's time to recharge your brain. Visit the channel Brain Time. There you'll find a lot of interesting and useful facts, lots of positive energy and tons of useful information. Subscribe right now. We promise it's going to be really exciting.